Chris, why is there so little championing for herbs?
Well,
they've been around for so long and they're so powerful.
I think that the pharmaceutical companies have done a spectacular job of making people believe that if you want credible medicines, you turn to them.
There you go.
They have the largest lobbying block of any industry in all of world history. You know, the whole thing about drugs are so expensive because of all the development money that goes into them?
Yes.
In the studies that have been done, looking at pharmaceutical expenditures, the #1 greatest expenditure is marketing. Okay, far outstrips development costs. So this is a very powerful, well-articulated, well-organized activity. And so people tend to think, well, yeah, herbs, you know, they could be good. Yeah, I suppose maybe they could help with something like hay fever, but look, if you're really sick,
yes,
if you've got, you know, a liver disorder, if you're in pain, if, you know, you've got an infection, I mean, you know, you need to take drugs. And it actually isn't true. For virtually everything that we have medicines,
yes,
there are, and I mean over-the-counter and prescription drugs, we have good medicines that come from nature.
Well, wasn't aspirin derived from willow's bark?
Aspirin is similar to a compound from both willow bark and meadowsweet.
Okay. So it had its basis, botanically speaking.
Yeah, it has a botanical basis.
Okay.
And, you know, it happens to be that a lot of the old drugs, like, for example, reserpine for blood pressure, that was a really good blood pressure medication. It came from a root, okay?
Oh.
But when those drugs their patents run out, then the drug companies say, okay, we have to go develop a new high blood pressure medicine because we need something we can patent, sell for $15 a tablet, and have the exclusive on for 17 years. So what drives development is patent law, not people's health. I think, though, that the blunders made in the pharmaceutical sector, the toxicity of drugs, the onerous effects, the sleeplessness, the diarrhea, the constipation, the sexual troubles, the anxiety, the nervousness, all the things that happen to people when they take any number of these drugs, I think that that is driving people toward herbs. So that we have grassroots advocacy of the herbal category. And by the way, I'm thrilled to be doing regular TV segments on Fox and other places about herbs.
Yes, I'd check that out.
I think that it's an indication of a change in times.
It's huge, yes.
And, you know, now people don't look at you cross-eyed when you talk about herbs. They go, yeah, you know, it's funny. My sister took something for a liver problem and got better. Because the body of science now on herbs is also so vast, they can't be ignored any longer.
It's different, though. In 1975, it was more of an experimental thing, you know, with the hippies and everything. Now it's different.
This is medicine. This is real medicine. More people use herbs than use over-the-counter and prescription drugs. Herbs are safer. They've been more effective much longer. They are cheaper. The science is vast and deep and remarkable now. The days of there's not enough science are long gone. Herbs are here and they're here to stay. And they will just get bigger as people realize that they can get the relief they seek from the health troubles that they're dealing with.
And you champion them.
I champion them. It's what I do.
That's what you do.
I work for the plants.
You work for the, I like that, medicine hunter. Thanks.
Sure.